Let's check our cuttings today. All right, this is the cassava. Ooh, I got roots starting. Yeah, a whole bunch of roots on there. Looks like I got some fuzzies going too. Now let's check the figs and the elderberries here. Yeah. Elderberries look like they're starting to put leaves on. Yeah, I got roots coming right out the side of that one fig cutting. And looks like they're getting a little bit of fuzzies on them too. If you do a lot of propagation, unfortunately mold is sometimes an issue. You know, I wash all my cuttings and everything and I always still seem to get it, but I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Now all you're gonna need is some 3% peroxide, a spray bottle. I like this one because it's got a little measuring thing on the side, and some water. There, now I fill the first 8 ounces with peroxide, and then what I'll do is I'll go up to 24, and that will give me a 3-to-1 ratio. There. Now see, I went 8 ounces of peroxide, and then 16 ounces of water. So that gives me my ratio. Now we'll just shake it up, and I'll head back over to the plants. Now we just spray everything down real good, and then I'll hit the figs that have and everything around here that has the mold on it. Now I get back in here and you can see that mold is gone. I use this. I like using a 3-to-1 because the 3-to-1, I mean, it's good enough. It kills the mold and it does not harm my plants. Now I got a little bit left. I'll just toss that because the solution doesn't really stay good for more than a couple hours in here. This is what I use to help control the mold on my cuttings that I'm propagating. I hope this helps. If you like my content, like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Have a good one.